Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your own hair in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome and search Roblox texture and go to images and choose any hair you want and download the image and go back and search Roblox. Go to website and make sure you open this website on desktop side and click on create go to menu and click on creation and click on development item and click on details. Upload your asset here, upload, select the image and name the image whatever you want and upload. And click on three dots and copy asset ID and now go to Roblox app and search catalog avatar creator and play this game and click on catalog and click on here and choose any hair you want and go back and click on this effect and paste your ID here